explosion. And the next song we're going to do is by Duke. Hey, listen, before we do the next song, what did y'all think of Uncle Clunk over there?
Oh my God. Right?
Order 1039, you ordered right for pickup, 1039.
That's wrong, bro. Bro, that's wrong. And Earl, dummy. That's wrong, you dummy. That's wrong, you dumb dumb.
Hey, dude, what's going on? Hey, how you doing, Bob? Hey, I hear you got a special song lined up for us.
That's wrong, Earl, you dumb dumb Billy Bob.
And you really rock it a lot, huh?
Oh, yes, indeed.
What's it called?
It's a song called My Woman, My Woman, My Wife.
My woman, my woman, my wife?
I know it sounds strange, I'm not married.
Yeah, you're not married. I mean, how do you get inspiration for a song about your wife if you're not married?
When I sing the song, I think of my mom because she's the one that really took care of when I was growing up. And my mom, yeah, you know, I come from a loving family. I always call hugs and kisses. And even though, you know, the song was meant for Mother Roberts' wife, but I think everybody's mother deserves the song.
Jim boy. Dad works in River Park. No, he's 6 floors.
I don't know. I mean, you know, like this is expensive showtime here. Hey, dude, tell us more about your mom.
Well, the only thing I can say is I remember when I was a little baby, she just rock me in a rocker and sing these old songs like Francis and the songs about Patty Page and stuff. And that's the things that I remember. You know, it makes me just love her, you know. I just want to sing this song to her.
How sweet.
That's good.
Now, come on, you guys. I sense a note of sarcasm.
No.
Y'all aren't being sarcastic? Okay, well, that's nice. Pat, you had what tell us about your mom?
Don't talk about my mama.
Looney Bird, you want to tell us about your mama?
He starts to cry. He starts to cry because he doesn't
That
have.
was Big Bird on Sesame Street.
Bro, don't make fun of Looney Bird.
Okay, you guys talk about your own problems like that. I'm going down to my barrel.
Okay.
Come on, you hurt Looney Bird's feelings, Zach.
Just let me sing the
You
song
heard
in peace and quit
Looney
making fun of everything I do.
Oh,
And I forgot what you were doing, man. What are you singing this song for again?
My mama. My woman, my wife goes out to my mama.
I'm telling you, Bird has a lot to do with this.
Who?
Let's go make her twice. And then let's go make her twice. And then we're going to like my honey. It's like they could have told
Hands strong, but doing work that never gets done. Hair that's lost some beauty, but too many hours in the sun. Eyes that show some disappointment, and there's been quite a lot in her life. She's the foundation I lean on. My woman, my wife. Every day there's been uphill. We climb, but we can't reach the top. I'm weak and I'm easily discouraged. She just smiles when I wanna stop. Lips that are blue but tender, with love that's conquered my life. A saint in a dress made of neon. My woman, my better. Oh Lord, you know what she's worth. Give her that mansion up yonder, 'cause she's been through hell here on earth. Lord, give me my share of heaven. If I've heard any here in this choir,